Let's go. Throw out the garbage.
Open it up.
You dumb mother.
Hi.
You,
My fucking shirt.
how do you fail that? Look at all that crap over there. You better pick that all up. And we got Dexter over here. Oh God. Okay, hey Dexter. Let's go, Danny. I know this isn't all of it.
All of it.
Where's the Pikachu in general? Oh, God. There's.
Oh my God! Look how much is left in here. Look at this.
Move. Oh my God, the Pikachu's still there.
Look at this. Look inside there.
Oh my God. What is wrong with you? Killing an innocent Pikachu.
You did it.
Alright, maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I have you on video ripping the freaking thing.
Cut it for a minute. Cut it.
Alright.